If you've ever struggled with pitch correction in your music, you've probably heard of Antares Auto-Tune. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what makes this software a go-to for many artists and whether it's worth your investment. Antares Auto-Tune is designed to help musicians and producers achieve pitch-perfect vocals with ease. At its core, it offers real-time pitch correction, allowing users to adjust their vocal tracks without losing the natural feel of the performance. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for newcomers while still offering advanced features for seasoned pros. What stands out immediately is its flexibility. You can use it subtly to correct minor pitch issues, or go for that signature auto-tune effect that's become popular in various music genres. It supports both automatic and manual pitch adjustments, giving users creative control over their sound. However, while the software is powerful, some features may feel overwhelming for beginners, and there's a learning curve involved in mastering all its capabilities. Additionally, the pricing may be a concern for those just starting out, as it's not the cheapest option on the market. Let's talk about the pros and cons of Antares Auto-Tune. On the positive side, the software provides exceptional pitch correction and a wide range of tools for vocal manipulation. Its real-time capabilities are impressive, allowing for quick adjustments during recording sessions. Plus, the variety of presets can speed up your workflow. On the downside, the pricing might deter casual users or hobbyists. It's a significant investment, especially if you're just dabbling in music production. Furthermore, some users report that the software can be resource-intensive, which might slow down older systems. For those who prefer a more straightforward approach, the extensive features might feel a bit excessive. If you're a professional musician or producer, you'll likely find it beneficial, but casual users might want to explore more budget-friendly alternatives. In conclusion, Antares Auto-Tune is a solid choice for serious musicians looking to enhance their vocal tracks. If you're committed to producing high-quality music and can justify the price, it's worth a try. However, if you're just starting or on a budget, you might want to explore other options first.